National Weather Service in Denver has issued a tornado warning for eastern Weld County in northeastern Colorado, northeastern Morgan County in northeastern Colorado, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:17 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Antelope Springs, or 13 miles north of Fort Morgan, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Stoneham, New Raymer, and Antelope Springs. Precautionary preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch 510 in effect until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following areas. In Colorado, this watch includes 11 counties. In east central Colorado, Albert, Lincoln. In northeast Colorado, Adams, Arapahoe, Douglas, Logan, Morgan, Phillips, Sedgwick, Washington, Weld. This includes the cities of Akron, Bennett, Bonners, Castle Rock, Fort Morgan, Greeley, Holyoke, Julesburg, Kiowa, Lyman, and Sterling. Primary threats include a couple tornadoes, possible scattered damaging wind gusts to 70 miles per hour, possible scattered large hail events to 1.5 inches in diameter possible. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings.